One of the important key factors from this lesson is about reading with expression. And I'm sure you've heard from your teachers or from your learning coaches throughout your life that it's important when we read to read with some kind of expression or inflection. You probably heard, don't read like a robot. When we're reading things, we want to use expression to help the reader understand how the person is feeling, especially when we're working with dramas, it's so important to be able to tell the mood or what's going on with the character. So what I'm going to do is I have a sentence that I'm going to hold up in just a second, and I'm going to read it several different ways with different expressions. If you were in a play, you would have some kind of a guide to let you know what your character is feeling, what they think about the particular thing that they're saying. Then, after you watch this short video, there's a sentence right below that you can practice doing the same thing, and I left some expressions, there's some moods below it as well. So, let's look at the sentence. For this one, it says, my mom made soup for dinner. So the first way, I just read it kind of plain right there, right? The first way I'm going to read it is happy. So, my mom made soup for dinner. Sounds like the person is happy about the soup, right? If I was angry about it, my mom made soup for dinner. Not happy about the soup. If I was sad about it, my mom made soup for dinner. Not happy. Again, upset, sad, really doesn't want the soup. You could read it in a tired way. My mom made soup for dinner. The character is tired. They just woke up. They don't want food. I don't know. And then the last way is worried. My mom made soup for dinner. Maybe they're worried that the soup isn't going to taste good. I don't know. I know it's kind of silly. And sometimes when we're reading like that, it can make you feel silly if you're doing a drama or something. But it's really important to have that because if you've ever been to a play or seen a movie or watched something on television, how boring would it be if everything that was said and everything that was being done was in the same tone? You couldn't tell what they felt about it. You couldn't tell how, what was going on. It would be really boring. So it's important, especially as we get older and we're getting more into this kind of stuff, that you're practicing reading with the right expressions and the right inflections. All right, now take the sentence that's listed on our intro page and try it out with a learning coach, a friend, a sibling, and see how you do.